Okay, this is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees, Common Sense Beekeeping. Today we're going to be talking something a little different today. A lot of people are worried about mowing in their apiary. Most people are using a conventional mower like this. This bad boy quit on me. So as a Father's Day present, I got that. I got a new battery powered, what is it, Roby mower here. It's a lot quieter. I did the entire apiary here in about a half hour. It used the entire battery. I think the lifespan is supposed to be like 45 minutes, but it's self-propelled. That uses some power there. So half hour is not bad considering. The other... Get ready. Okay, so you got the traditional sound of a lawn mower you could use in your apiary. Or you have this guy here. If I can remember how to start it. If I get a little closer here with the microphone. Basically, it sounds like a fan. I had no problem with the bees. I did put on a veil for the first time I mowed the apiary. Had no problem with the bees. Didn't get pinged at all. No bees came at me. From what you've seen at the beginning of this clip, the grass was really high. I know my traditional mower would bog down and stall or come close to stalling at times, mowing that type of grass. I had no problem using this. So those that are thinking about using electric, I can't vouch for all electric mowers. But this one here, I had no problem. I could tell the tone changed a little bit when I got in heavy grass. I had to do some grass 2 or 3 times to get it to mow really well. But overall, I'm more impressed than I thought I was going to be with the electric mower. So for those deciding if you want to use an electric mower in an apiary, it does work, and it works really well. So for now, this is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees, Common Sense Beekeeping. You have a fantastic day.